Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get a Snapchat public profile. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is two different things. The first one is to update Snapchat, because Snapchat might not let you get a public profile if you don't have the latest version. So we'll quickly go over to our app store here, and then we'll just type in Snapchat. If you see Snapchat here at the very top, if it says update, then you want to update it to the latest version. If it just says open, then you have the latest version. You don't have to update anything, and you can get out and quit that step. So the next thing that you want to keep in mind is you can only have a Snapchat public profile if you're older than 18, or if your profile on Snapchat says that you're over 18. So the next thing is, if you go through these whole steps and you don't have the option to create that public profile, either you're under 18 or Snapchat for whatever reason thinks you're under 18 and you need to change your age on Snapchat. So we'll head into Snapchat to actually enable that public profile. You'll see the camera option first, and we'll just tap on the profile icon at the top left here. And then what we'll want to do is we'll set the privacy settings to everyone. This is required for you to be able to have a public profile. So we'll tap on the settings icon at the top right here. And then we can scroll down, and under who can, you'll see different options here. This has to be set to everyone for Contact Me. Because of course, if you have a public profile, it needs to be public, it can't be private. So you'll have to click on Contact Me and hit everyone there, and Send Me Notifications has to be everyone. View My Story has to be everyone. See My Location, that doesn't necessarily matter. You can still have a public profile even if your location is set to private. So now that all of those are set to everyone, I can hop back out of here. I'll just click the back button on the top left here. And then I'll scroll down, and you can see public profile, create a public profile, and it has like a little new blue icon next to it. So I will tap that, and it will say it's going to show your name and any of your snaps, and you can build a public profile. This is if you want kind of like a public presence on Snapchat. You want people to be able to follow you that you don't necessarily know, and build up a following and become a Snapchat kind of influencer. So you just hit get started and hit create there, and then it'll give you some options here. It'll allow you to change, your public profile. Here we'll have to click on that again, and you can say preview profile if you want, or you can hit edit profile. And of course, you'll add a bio, you can show your subscriber count, you can show your location as well, you can add a photo. So these are all things that anybody would be able to see if they went to your Snapchat. And if you go back out of here, if you tap the back icon on the top left here, and then hit preview profile, it'll show you exactly what other people would see if they want to kind of subscribe to your Snapchat public profile. So that's it. It'll walk you through creating your first highlight. You can, have the subscribe button. Anybody who has a Snapchat account can come onto your profile here and hit the subscribe button and be able to follow you, and you can build up your following that way. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.